Collections by Destiny can help you work smarter and do more in less time. All it takes is 2 simple steps. Step 1. Create a collection. Think of a collection like a massive folder where you can store YouTube videos, photos, articles, and more. It's a great way to gather resources for a project. Being organized makes research so much easier. Best of all, you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Just click to create a collection, give it a title, and you're good to go. Step 2. Add items. Now it's time to add items. Search for websites, videos, and articles. Search Destiny Discover for books, ebooks, and audiobooks. Even upload your own documents to put in your collection. Let the collection's bookmarklet do the work for you. That's all you need to copy and paste links. It captures the item's title, web address, cover image, description, and tags. If you find another collection you like, just add it to yours to create a collection set. Or copy a great collection and make it your own. Then rearrange items or change the view to see at a glance what's inside. It's so easy to share a collection. A teacher might create a collection on a topic you're studying and share it with the class. That way, you know the sources are reliable. Or you might create a collection for a project and share it with a group of students. Then all group members can collaborate by adding new items to it. To share a collection, just copy and paste a link or send an email. You can also post your collection to a class assignment. Click the activity stream to see when someone adds or removes items or copies your collection. You're always on the go, and so are your collections. All you need is Wi-Fi or a mobile device with data, and you can access them anytime, anywhere. Collections makes it easy to collect all types of resources for your schoolwork. Why wait? Start your collection today.